So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do this. Yeah. Just a little awkward. Okay, that's all I need. I only have 3 forks left. Originally I have 4, but one of them got missing. Thanks to I don't know who. God damn it. It's a little bit. Okay. Chop up some lettuce with one hand because I'm a genius. Okay, and then for the first time in my culinary history, I am using butter. So I'll just use a little butter, just like that. Wait, that's good enough. Yep, just very, very small fire. Tiny fire. Maybe a little more butter, just a little more. Ah, frick. There we go. Come on. Ah, good enough. Okay, and then we will lay the eggs on top. And then, very gently, we will create curds. Very, very gently. This is my first time, I swear. Maybe a bit of salt. Is it not hot enough? Okay. really don't know what I'm doing. Alright, just toasted 2 breads. Added the egg on top. Very creamy, very nice. And then we will add the luncheon meat. Let's spread it around just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Let's fling off the water a little bit and just add some greens on top. Just like that. That's good enough. And then we'll add a little bit of you. Just a little. Okay, that's good enough. And then add the other bread on top. Oh my god. This is a bit of a disaster. Okay, without further ado, let's try it out. All right, time for dinner. So I just got some, from here, I got a box of beef boneless brisket sliced curl. Yes. And then I put some of them into a bowl of water to drain out the blood and the myoglobin and all that. I got a boiling pot of water, boiling some red potatoes. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, calm down. Got mushrooms, got a flat disc of cabbage, and for the first time, I'm going to be using chicken powder. Let's try it. This is a really weird cabbage. Let's go. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start it middle fire. We're gonna add some oil. About this much. And then we're going to slide all these chopped up potatoes just like that. Okay. Now now I'm going to flip them all flesh side up. This is how I always fry them. Not really fry. I mean, yeah, fry. I don't know. This one's a little yellow. I don't know what's going on. Is this better? I'm gonna do this, and then I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. That's a lot of salt. And then that's it. And then I'll let it sit for about maybe 10 minutes-ish. And then it's gonna be good. There we go. Maybe even 5 minutes. I don't know. There's a fucking cockroach inside my oven timer. This is amazing. Here we go. Here goes the beef. Okay, this is going to be tricky because I've never really actually done this before. Like, transporting beef from a bowl of water with my bare hands. Okay. It should cook really fast, but it's going to explode. So 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. 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 Shush. Oh my god. And in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh my god. Okay. That's it. We're taking this out. A bowl of blood. Okay, that's very watery. Not really what I wanted. But let's evenly cook it. Let's add some salt and pepper. Pepper, pepper, pepper. This is really watery. If I hadn't drained all the blood and stuff from the water, from the bowl, it's going to be even more watery, and it's going to foam. So I tried my best. I really have. All right, the final and the third part of the dinner. Garlic fried cabbage and mushrooms. So let's fry the garlic first. Okay. And then we shall add the mushrooms, because they're gonna take a while. Oh. And then I'm gonna use both hands to, you know. That's a lot of cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna add some salt. And then we're going to cover it up with this. Just give it about maybe 3 minutes. Okay. I am actually in a hurry, so I'm not going to cook it too thoroughly. Okay, here comes the magic, right? I've never done this before, but let's do half a teaspoon, something like that, maybe even less, I don't know. Okay, maybe that's too much. I actually don't know how much is enough. Chicken powder. There we go. Let's bury the spoon in there. And then we're going to mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, here goes my dinner. So, let's eat the chicken powder, garlic, mushroom, cabbage first. This is gonna be good. Let's try this. Kind of chewy. Good with rice, but I overcooked it. And of course there's the potatoes, which is definitely gonna be good.